what area they must be in on a device for me, please?
That would be a bad question if we asked that.
That's the first question right.
Are you ready?
Was that not your follow-up? That was just an initial one? Was it? I don't remember. Okay.
Are you ready?
Follow-up questions?
Don't we get a follow-up question?
Was that your follow-up question, or did you already answer?
It was just our first question.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. It's your follow-up.
So yes.
Okay.
Are you in a city with the letters A to N?
Yes.
Okay, so boys and girls, their city starts with a letter from A to N, and they're north of Chicago, and they are east of Rockford. Can you find what your next question should be? Okay, and then we'll wait for their question.
Are you ready?
Are you guys ready? They're asking you. Deanna, are you ready?
Yeah.
Does your city start with Q through T?
Q through T?
Yes. Yes.
Buddy, I'm still waiting for that question you're going to pass up for what you think we're going to ask next. Have you guys contributed a question yet? Like, I'm waiting.
Questions, did they answer it?
Questions.
What did they say?
So far.
I know the
What's the next
answer if you'd
question?
like me to tell you the answer. Q through T is yes. For my class, they do live in a city from Q through T.
Oh, okay. Does your city start with Q or R?
No.
What?
So that's correct. Their
Q
city,
or R.
their
Okay.
city does not
No.
start with Q or R. That is true.
Okay, so now our next question. But you don't know what city it's in yet. Every city has cemeteries. We know what area it's kind of. We know it starts with A through N. What would you ask next with?
So is the goal of this one to get this one, or to get the question or facts? I just don't know. The screen, do you want to move it maybe down? Yeah, no, you're right. There's not a
We've got 4 minutes.
Find another spot?
3 minutes. Gotta look. Just for so long.
Andy, we're sitting here doing another question.
Are you taking your card out?
Okay, we might go a couple minutes over, but I'll give them, I'll let them know that we're close.
Okay.
Are you east of Pearl City?
He's in the back corner. Hey, Daniel.
Are you used to Pearl?
You guys are really interested in north, east, south, and then letters, and then that. Like, try to keep going.
Oh, I don't
Hey, Mrs. Zett?
Yes.
Just wanted to give you a heads up. We're going to be, we have maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes. It's the end of our school day. That might,
Really?
yeah, so, oh, hi. It's great to see you. I don't think I've ever seen you.
So
5 minutes?
Yeah, 5, 6, 7 minutes.
Okay, so should we start giving clues?
Whatever you think is best. We're up for anything that you'd like.
Okay, why don't we each come up with a clue?
Kiddos, this is Mrs. Zett, and that's not her name, that's her initial. Z is the American way to say that.
Yeah.
She's a good friend of mine on Twitter. We talk all the time. So, anyways, it's very good to see you, and it was nice to see Mr. McDonald as well.
Yeah, me too.
All right.
Okay, let's come up with clues
All
for
right.
each other, and then that will hopefully narrow it down. Okay, so can you guys, what clue could we give them? How much do they know about us already? Okay, what about vicinity? They know we're in BC?
Oh, for the dictators. I get you.
Do they know that we're in Sutton? No? They were just asking cities that start with a certain letter without knowing what province we're in? Okay, why don't we tell them our province as our clue?
And I have to tell you too.
Keeping up with all the questions.
Tell them, would you tell them what we think we know, you guys, real quickly?
We think we know your province. Is it British Columbia?
Yeah.
Yes.
We think we know that their city is one of a few choices. Do you guys remember the choices? Could you tell them what choices we think their city starts with? It's hard when it's the very end.
Okay, what we know about you already is we know that you're in either Salmonarm, Surrey, Terrace, or Trail.
We think.
We think.
Yeah. Okay, our clue is you're right. It's one of those four. Okay, and what do we have for a list of possible places? Do we have a list like that? I like how they had a list of possibilities. Okay. Okay, so we know, of course, that you're in Illinois, and we know that you are north of Chicago, east of Rockford, and your city or town starts with the letters A through N. Could you give us another clue?
Yes.
Can you tell them that we're also west of Chicago?
We're also west of Chicago.
Okay, so they're north and west of Chicago. So let's, we don't have the west.
So there's other hints that you can give them. One is that our
Okay.
city.
Okay, so why don't we bring up our maps and can you come in on that? I'm still waiting for this to tell me what they are.
Joey, are we
Which helps. Those are things that can help.
Also, another clue is that our city has 2 words.
Okay, their city has 2 words. Sahar, Sarah, Brianna, I want you to write up a list of all the possible places they could be. Hunter, Dilkon, Andy, Harry, the same thing. No, they're west.
Well, because we already knew that because we already said the rocks were west.
Did they
Of Pearl City.
ask a question?
Okay, so just say it. I'm sorry, we missed your answer.
I'm sorry, we missed your answer of are you east of Pearl City?
Yes, we are.
Yes,
We are.
yes.
Okay. Are you guys ready for our
Yeah, hopefully. Okay, guys, we need to really focus because their school day ends in 4 minutes. Okay, so what is... Just let them have other things. Let's see what they can have.
Are you guys ready?
Can you find out? And you know for sure they're in a suburb of Rockford?
Are you guys ready?
I know.
So another hint we have to give you. Keep asking this, that's good. Is that we're like within 40 miles of Chicago.
We know that they're in Illinois. I think Illinois is the same time difference.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Is your population more than
My
60,000?
belly. That's funny.
Can you repeat the question?
Is your population more than 16,000?
16,000?
1-6.
1,600.
1-6.
Can you give us a minute?
Okay, boys and girls, they want to know if our population is greater than 16,000. How do you know?
Just a hint, but maybe you should put the clues on there. On the form.
You know what it is? It's just a
Okay, and you said you look northwest of Chicago, remember? still waiting for that list of names that are northwest of Chicago, Sahar, Sarah, Brianna.
That's the middle of it, so it might be helpful to ask where.
Here, can you come up with the list of what's northwest of Chicago for us?
On the southern, you are going north, so just know that the southern half is probably the
Why don't you go through letters then? We know it's A to N. Why don't you narrow that down some more?
You're doing a very nice job. I think most of you guys are doing a great job today.
Just pick a H, E, okay.
Our answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Our population is greater than.
What was their population size? Over? Great. Thanks.
Again? That's not possible. Wrong. It's not
You
possible.
can if you want. Just. Was it?
You go to your research or you have to research.
Go ahead. Just ask him. We're on the phone.
Do you guys live in Surrey?
Northwest. Sorry?
Do you guys live in Surrey?
Do we?
Yeah.
So tell them, give them the last few minutes. Again, 40 miles of Chicago.
Okay, you guys got it.
Over
Well
80,000
done.
population.
Should we just say then, since it's near the end of the day, should we just say that you guys won? And you can tell us where you are, and then we have a minute to kind of say hi to each other, share something before you have to pack up?
That'd be great. That'd be
Where do
wonderful.
they live?
Closers, can you be the first to say something to them and then allow them to say something too?
Where do they live?
Closers?
Surrey.
Oh yeah, where, do you guys want to know where we are real quick?
Yeah.
All right, we're in Arlington Heights. Were you able to find that in there, Arlington Heights?
Were you? Did anybody have Arlington Heights on their list?
I did.
No, we weren't even close. Only one person was close. Okay.
That's all right. It's tough. We get a lot of them early because ours has so many cities.
Yeah.
So it is tough.
Okay. So, what grade are you guys?
Yeah. Mr. Solars.
So
Mr.
are we.
Solars.
Oh, cool.
Is this how you spell Surrey?
S-U-R-R-E-Y.
Do you guys have a question for us?
Yeah, no, it's S-U-R-R-E-Y.
We have some closers too.
We're the class
But we're in Canada.
What school?
Canada later.
They were from Surrey. They're actually from
How many
because they both wanted to be close. They really
You know what I think is interesting about Mr. Solars' class and our class? We have something in common with them. They do a special subject that we do also.
My kids, are you listening? Yeah, passion time. We both do passion time. Their group does it too.
Go Passion Time. It'll automatically upload to YouTube.
Okay, so Mr. Solars, I know you guys need to pack up for home now, so should we get everybody to say bye?
Yeah, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.